Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of our Getting Started tutorial. In the last part, we learned how to track and push files to DagsHub using Git and DBC. And in this part, we're going to learn how to track our data science experiments and save their parameters as well as metrics. We're going to continue working on the project that we started in our last part. So the first step is to install DagsHub. So let's quickly do a pip install. Awesome. What's next? So we're going to make some changes to the modeling.py module by importing DagsHub, as well as adding lines to track the hyperparameters as well as the metrics using the DagsHub logger. Okay, perfect. We will need a code editor, so let's open the directory in VS Code. There we go. Let us copy the code. Yes, we already did that, but to be on the safe side, let's paste it. Perfect. So what's next? Okay, so we have to track and commit the changes with Git. Let's quickly copy. Let's have the terminal a bit above so that it's clearly visible to you. Okay, did we change something? Okay, there we go. Let's copy the commit message as well. Perfect. Okay, so let's see what's next. So now to create a new experiment, we are supposed to run the modeling.py script, and then we will have some changes in the metrics.csv as well as the params.yaml file. Let's go back and try running our code. So it's python c modeling.py. Perfect. Okay, so our file has finished its execution. Let's quickly check the status. Back to the terminal. Perfect. So we have the metrics.csv as well as params.yaml file. Let's go back to the tutorial and see what's next. Okay, so now we're supposed to add the changes to Git, commit them and push them. Okay, there we go. Adding. Now let's copy the commit message. Back to the terminal. Perfect. And git push. There it is, done. What's next? So now is the time to check the status of our repository. Let's go to the repository. Oh yes, we see the experiments logged here with metrics.csv as well as params.yaml file, and there's something new in the experiments section as well. Okay, let's go there. See what's happening. Perfect. So we have our ROC AUC score logged here, and that's it. Yes, we verified the experiment under the experiment tab as well. So congratulations, you created your first experiment with us. See you in the next part.